This is Webkinz 96, and as you can see, sometimes white Webkinz don't stay very white for long. And as you can see by this basket here, there's quite a few Webkinz in there that are in need of a bath. So I've got the washer going, and I've got a little bit of bleach in already, so they will get a nice little whitening bath. And I don't put my Webkinz in the dry, I don't put Webkinz with hair like this in the dryer, because it just messes up the hair. So these guys will get a nice bath in the washer, and they will get air dried on top of my blue flame heater. So yeah, it's time for a bath. You could just see how brown this Google is compared to the washer. Time for a bath, buddy. It's just coming out, just under the water. Oh well, the water's full. It looks like it's turning out to be a Google bath for now. What have you been eating? Ew. Friends! Where are my friends? They're in there. Go get them. I see. Lazy llama. Time for a swim. Is there even any room in there for me? Dog pile. Dog pile. Where'd my kid go? Darn kids. I don't want to take a bath. Just get in there. Your kid's in there. Fine. Meow. What? There's no water in there. Meow. Yeah, take a closer look. Meow. Come on, last one. Can't wait to see how dirty this water gets. Let's give it a little. We're not even in. Come on, guys. I have to roll up my sleeve a sec. Push these guys in. What happened to all those suds? You know, I never liked the snowman. Swim! Okay, have fun. Alright. There. Just want to make sure that they all get a little bit of water on them and not just floating at the top. Water's not as hot as I thought it was. And there they go, off for their spin. And the water's not really as dirty, so. Alright, well, yeah, this Webkinz taking a bath, so thanks for watching.